Hi, today we're addressing the top 3 questions you should ask yourself before undertaking a major home renovation. First question, what are your goals? Consider how the home renovation project will improve your quality of life. For example, if it's a kitchen remodel you dream of, imagine your joy sitting around the kitchen island visiting with family and friends. I call this quality of life equity. But you should also consider how the home renovation project will improve your home's value. I call this home value equity. According to Remodeling magazine, a minor kitchen remodel will recoup 80% of its costs, while a major mid-range kitchen remodel will recoup 65% of its costs. Keeping both quality of life equity and home value equity in mind when setting your goals is important. Second question, what is your budget? You need to plan not only for construction costs, but also for other project-related expenses that may follow. For example, you may want to buy new furniture to go with that new renovation. You may also incur meal expenses to eat out, or costs for short-term housing if you decide to move out of the home temporarily. Staying in the home during a major renovation has pros and cons. On the plus side, you'll save money and it will be easier to keep track of the contractor's progress. On the downside, you'll have to live with some noise, dust, and the interruption of your daily life. Third question, what is your timeline? Consider your work and vacation schedules as well as any upcoming important family events like weddings and graduations. Then plan your construction project to minimize the impact on those important life events and your schedule. After answering these questions, you'll be well prepared to start talking to contractors. Well, thanks for watching this episode of Home Trends with Ken. Please like my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and trends. And when it comes time to sell, give yourself the Ken Trotter advantage and reach out to me. Have a great day.